Tonight the hills are quiet, the winds don't sound the same. A silence fills the valleys as we whisper your name. We whisper your name. Nashilong parliamentary seat, Dr. Jylla Shakrian Utrecht toman lakas ni bayeng na benta ki paidbah Hakiken dong bad hasor pilay da ka mynsiem kaba shisha Omda ki kien ki ba hen da ki kam ki ba penia ka jingi. And now the homes are filled with sorrow, families wipe their tears away. A leader more than just a title, a guiding light along the way. We feel the loss within our hearts, a space no one can fill. Dr. Jingkynmaw yapi Hakikam baba pilale Ka Jingduh yapi ktik Meghalaya ka sngew shisha Wat lada pilale Kakuten jong pikanim junong. You were more than a voice in parliament, more than a name we knew. You carried hope for many hearts in everything you do. Though you've gone beyond our sight, your light will still remain. Dr. Jingkynmaw yapi Hakikam baba pilale Ka Jingduh yapi ktik mynsiem Meghalaya ka sngew shisha Wat lada pilale Kakirting jong pikanim junong. Jingkynmaw junong.